Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where in the world you are. Welcome once again to our YouTube channel, and my name is Otilia, and I'm here with Sekuru, and we are on our way to the city. We are going to take the train to the city, and by a camera, a proper camera. So come with us and let's see what we are going to get. So when we went for the German market, we happened to see the cameras in one of the shop and drones. But for today, we are just going to buy a camera. So say good morning to Sekuru, because it's morning here in England.
Good morning. It's cold and windy.
It's cold and windy. It's cold and very cold. Yes, it is very windy today. And I think the temperatures are really like -5 or -4. Yes, we haven't checked the temperatures because we are not in the car like usual. We are walking to the train station. So you guys come with us. We are just in our wood walking to the train station. So come with us and see what we are going to get. And after that we are going to have a bit of lunch. And fill our bellies. So come with us as we go to Birmingham City. So continue watching, you guys. Well, this is what we are doing now because we are retired, aren't we, love?
Yes.
And as we wait for Sekuru to have his knee operation, we will be sticking around doing stuff and passing by this stream. I thought it was a canal, but I was told it's a river, so I don't know. Come with us. Yes. So I thought it was a canal which is called Rio Valley, but apparently it's a river. So yeah. And how is the weather wherever you are, you guys? I hope some of you are cold and some of you are warm. The weather here is stinking cold, and no one brought any gloves, and my hands are freezing. So come with us and enjoy this trip to Birmingham City. Train ride.
Litchfield Trent Valley. service for Lichfield. The next stop will be Selly Oak. We are now approaching Selly Oak. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. This is Selly Oak. Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service for Lichfield Trent Valley. The next stop will be University. Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service for Lichfield. The next stop will be University.
Station is University. You can change here for the University of Birmingham or the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Please be careful when stepping off to enter platform. Thank you.
We are now approaching University. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it. This is University. Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service for Lichfield Trent Valley. The next stop will be Five Ways.
everybody will be guessing at that for their destinations, for where they are going. It's quite grand. That's why it's called the Grand Central. It's dome-shaped, sort of. Okay, vitamin street food above there.
Yeah, we can go from there.
Joe the juice. I'm always following behind Sekuru because I'll be trying to film more stuff. Nice and cute wasabi sushi. So we are already here. Can you see the shop we are after? There. So we are going to shop around first and see whether we are going to find, maybe it can be cheaper in one shop and expensive in another. So we are here now, and there is the tram. So we have just left the Grand Central there. So I'm not sure whether they will allow us to film in the shop, but I'm going to come in now. Hello. Yes, thank you. So me with food. Yeah. I've just seen an outlet there and it's a new one. So I've decided, oh, let me take a photo. We are finished now with purchasing our DJI camera. Ooh, expensive. So we have used like almost 600 pounds British sterling. Yes, 600 pounds. A lot of dosh has been used. So let's go to TK Maxx and shop. Do a little bit of shopping. So here we go. Come with us, you guys. The transport system in Birmingham is very, very good. Very good. We have got buses like every 15-20 minutes. And usually their timetables are really on point. So, for example, let me take this one. Let me film this one for you. So, the time and the departure and the bus stop and everything is here, and usually it's right in point, on point. So you can see loads of them buses here. We're still at the Grand Central, just around the Grand Central, and we are just going to go to TK Maxx. So come with us, you guys. Yeah, now in TK Maxx, I need a bag. Wanted something waterproof and something with a longer strap. late. I've already wrapped it.
Then I have to open it. Obviously, I need to do
Okay, well, I'm not going to rewrap it. So if you
that's
fix
right.
the
I can do
paper.
it by myself.
Exactly.
And please, remove the right side.
If you want to take that, take it up now.
She just been off. How far is it?